Hey soldiers, today we are not talking about fantasies. We are talking real life and real money. Let's break down financial discipline into 10 real rules you must play. Because if you don't master money, money will master you. So soldiers, watch the full video. And before you watch the full video, kindly subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's go. Rule number 1. The planner. Financial discipline starts with a plan. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will decide on its own and easily disappears.
Planning is not optional, it's survival.
Rule number 2. The budget keeper. You don't become disciplined by earning more.
You become disciplined by managing what you already have. If you spend without checking, you will struggle without questioning.
Rule number 3. The delay master. Instant pleasure destroys long-term security. Every time you wait instead of buying immediately, your future gets stronger. Self-control is wealth. Rule number 4. The reality checker. Don't pretend to afraid what you can't. Social media lifestyle is not real life. Impressing people is cheap. Stability is priceless. Rule number 5.
The saver. Saving is not a choice, it's responsibility. When your emergency hits,
only your saving protect you, not your pride. Rule number 6. The investor. Money sitting still is money dying slowly. Investments turns time into profit. Even a small investment done consistently build a future you can trust. Rule number 7. The debt avoider. Not all debt is bad, but most people use debt to feel rich for a moment and stay broke for years. Borrow only when it builds your life, not your image. Rule number 8. The independent thinker. If everyone is buying something, stop and think. Most people follow hype, not logic. Discipline means choosing what's right, not what's popular. Rule number 9. The silent builder. Real financial growth is quiet, no flexing, no showing off. While others try to look rich, you actually become rich. Silence is your strategy. Stability is your flex. Rule number 10. The future protector. Your discipline today is your freedom tomorrow. Your small sacrifice today are your praise.
confidence and power later. If you don't build for the future, you are gambling with your life.
Money does not respect emotions. Money respects discipline. Play these 10 rules and your future will thank you silently and powerfully. And finally, soldiers, remember one thing. The world is yours.